Hello Grade 1-2, it's Miss M here for our weekly handwriting task. This week we are going to be focusing on the letter A. The reason for that is because it matches with our spelling focus this week as well. And the reason we are wanting to improve our handwriting is just because it makes our handwriting more neater and it helps us if we are wanting to write a piece of writing. Are you ready to go? Let's go. So as you can see, this is a capital letter A, okay? Just like always, Grade 1-2, we're going to start at the start up here, go all the way down. We are going to take our pencil off the page for this one, okay? And then we're going to start at the start again and go down, take our pencil off the page, and then connect those two lines together, okay? I want you to trace this with your finger, okay? So starting at the start, I'm going to go all the way down. I'm going to take our pencil off the page, take your finger off the page as well. Starting at the start again, going all the way down. And then we're going to connect those two together. Perfect. One more time. Start. Pencil off the page. Start again. Beautiful. And then connecting those two together. Absolutely fantastic. Now, this is a lowercase a, okay? For this one, we are not going to be taking our pencil off the page, okay? So, starting at the start, we're going to make our curved shape. Going all the way back up to the top to touch our star. Coming back down. And making a tail almost. Alrighty, do it again. Starting at the start, doing that almost curved shape. Touching the star again. And down. And flicking it. Good job. One more time. Around. And star. And down and flick. Good job. So this is on our left here, A, and on our right is a lowercase a. This is just to show how big the capital letter A is in comparison to the lowercase a. As you can see, the lowercase a it only takes up 1/3 of the dotted thirds, touch the solid line as well as the first dotted line as well. The capital letter A stretches all the way to the second dotted third, and the line goes across. Okay, see that? And it also touches the solid line as well. Okay. So, for today's activity, you will need these two worksheets, okay? I will go through in detail what you need to do with these worksheets. So, what you need to do is you need to find the A's in this one. See how they've drawn the A here? So, with your grey lead, you also need to find the A's in here, okay? And you need to trace them with your grey lead, okay, grade 1-2? Then what you need to do, just with your grey lead as well, is just trace the anti-clockwise letters. So you're going to trace the letters A, C, L, T, M, D, G, Q, A, and C. Just with your grey lead. Then what you're going to do with your grey lead, you are going to trace over the sentence, angry ants ate the apples. Okay? So just your grey lead tracing over the sentence. And then in this dotted thirds here, I want you to write the sentence, angry ants ate the apples, directly underneath it, okay? Don't try to fit the whole sentence on this one line. Copy it, the words underneath here, okay? And then down here, you can see that angry ants eating the apples. I want you to trace the letter A down here as well, okay? On all four of these A's, okay? Good job. So then what I want you to do is, with this bit up here, you're just going to trace over the dotted lines, okay, of the apples. And then just with your finger, you're just going to trace over these letter A's, okay? You don't need your grey lead for this one, just your finger. Good job. Okay, so what you need to do for this one here is you need to copy the letter A with your grey lead here, and then underneath, starting at the dot, you also need to copy the letter A, okay? You need to write it. Please make sure to start at the dot, because that dot almost acts like a star, okay? Again, for our capital letter A's, you're going to do the same thing. Starting at these dots here, like I said, grade 1, 2, these are like our stars on the letters that we've been practicing from, okay? So you're going to start it. You're going to start at the dot, go all the way down and across, okay? Just like how we've been practicing, okay? And then do the same for down here as well. And then with the alligator, you just trace over the dotted lines, okay? Don't forget grade 1, 2. If you need a bit more help, you're more than welcome to pause this video at any time to practice your letter A, okay? Don't forget to send photos to your teachers, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. Happy handwriting!